Let's pretend I'm done updating my syllabus and I'm ready to upload it to my Canvas page. I navigate to the course where I want to input the syllabus and I select the syllabus button. On this page, we actually want to edit and put our syllabus directly into the text field. We don't want to add it as an attached file, and we don't want to link students off-site. When they click syllabus, they should be able to see everything they need for the course. So I'm going to copy this over by pressing Control A, Control C. And now in the text field, I place my cursor here and press Control V. You'll notice when it copies over that there may be some formatting that you have to take care of, like extra spaces you need to delete. Or you may want to start to play with color and sizes. For example, you might want to center your course name and make it a little bit bigger. So I can select it, and instead of using paragraph style, maybe I'm going to use heading 2. I'm going to also turn it orange so it breaks up the black and white a bit. And then I'm going to select the 3 dots, and from the Align menu, choose Center. And get rid of these extra spaces. And I might want to change the color of my small headings within the syllabus as well. So you can play with and format the syllabus any way you want. Here are a couple of little extra things that you might consider. For example, if we have a text that we're reading in class, like Fahrenheit 451, I might consider linking the name of the book directly to Amazon so that students can easily purchase the same edition that we're all working on. So I'll select the URL, Control C, and then from my menu, I'll choose the chains, external link, because it's a website, and Control V. Now, parents and students can use the link in my syllabus to purchase the exact edition of the book we're using. Another thing you might want to do, and this is kind of advanced syllabus making, is you could swap out the section headers with custom bars. In Canva, I actually went ahead and designed some syllabus buttons. The size I used to design my syllabus buttons is custom size 1700 by 100. I'll show you what they look like. My syllabus buttons are just long bars that have the heading for each section in them. So now what I can do is I can go in here, insert an image, upload it from my computer, it will preview the image for me, and now I can submit. And now I've got images as my section headers within the syllabus. I can delete that extra space, or I can add, and I can indent my paragraphs if I want them to be indented underneath the section headers. So there's a lot you can do in terms of designing your syllabus. Something else that's kind of neat that I've done with my classes in the past is if we have a required outside text and there's a movie associated with it, sometimes I'll embed a trailer for the film. So I can go to YouTube and I can find a trailer for Fahrenheit 451. Here's a trailer. By choosing Share, I can select what's called the embed code. It looks scary, but don't worry. I press Copy, and it copies the entire code. I'll get the message that it was copied successfully to my clipboard. Now I go back to Canvas, put in the embed code, and the trailer will appear embedded directly in my syllabus. One last thing, make sure that you show the course summary and that box is checked. That way any assignments that you add will be automatically reflected in your syllabus as you go. So here's a little preview of what my syllabus would look like for students. I've got my title, I've got my little course overview bar. Here I've got the link off site to the text as well as the trailer. So be creative with your syllabus, but most of all, focus on function. It's really important that students get the critical information that they need to be successful, and that parents get a clear idea of what your course is and what the expectations are from the syllabus that you create and embed on your course page.